My name is Jessica Hernandez. I'm from Forest City, North Carolina. I went to Yale University, graduated in 2016. I'm a member of the class of 2025 at the Charleston School of Law. I chose the Charleston School of Law for the community that I found here. There's a thriving legal community in Charleston. There are many firms that accept interns and externs where you can get a foot in the door for a potential job down the road. Before applying to the Charleston School of Law, I did Teach for America. In Teach for America, I learned the importance of diversity, equity, and inclusion work, and I learned the importance of developing pipelines. So the opportunity to go to law school in a place with a strong career services department that helps guide you along the way, where there's a director of wellness who makes sure you're taken care of and have what you need to be academically successful here, it makes a difference when you have the support you need to do the academic work you came here to do as a law student. And I found that at the Charleston School of Law. My advisor in career services starting my 1L year was Dean Sanders. At every stage along the way, I've been able to go to him and say, Dean Sanders, I'm thinking about this. And he's been able to provide insight. He's been able to connect me with resources. He's been able to help me understand factors to consider, the questions to ask as I navigate making decisions about what opportunities to apply for. It takes practice to become a good law student. It takes practice to become a good attorney. I had the honor of traveling to Vienna, Austria to represent the Charleston School of Law at the Willem C. Viss International Commercial Arbitration Moot with my 4 teammates. When I started doing that competition, I knew nothing about the international sale of goods. What the Viss allowed me to do was we started with a problem I knew nothing about. With that problem, our coach, he would join us over Zoom and explain the area of law that was new to us. He kind of introduced it to us. He introduced us to other practitioners in international arbitration who kind of helped give us the starting point of where to go when understanding the law and the parts and the pieces. And then it was really up to us. We worked hard to wrap our heads around the Convention on the International Sale of Goods and all of the law that goes with that. And 3 months after that, we were in Vienna arguing in front of a former German Court of Appeals judge, in front of attorneys who were in-house counsel. And it's an incredible experience being in a room full of law students and master's students who are studying international commercial arbitration. They call the Viss Moot the Olympics of mooting. You've all been spending the past 6 months of your life devoted to an intense fact pattern, an intense problem that's challenging even for practitioners, and to do your best to advocate for your fictional client to try to get the arbitration outcome that would best serve their interests.